I'm Matama Faridah. I come from Serere District, Abukere sub-county, Abuket Parish, Abuket village. I'm in poultry management. I've learned on how to keep the chicks and how to build the brooders for the chick and how to feed the chicks. The process of starting this business, the first you must have the land, capital and the labor power. After that one, then you start. My poultry pen is, I've built it like that. At the first, I measure the 3 meters by 3 meters. After I sprayed, then I place the litter. Again I sprayed and I brought the chicks to place there. The spraying I did in order to remove the infectious diseases which are there. I use cane drinkers for them to drink the glucose, then they feed us for them to eat their food.